Delegate of DPRK, you had something to say?
Yes, whenever my head is banged with someone's head, I won't bang it again. So my mother says there would be big horns on my head.
I second it.
And my mother says that black dog will bite you.
All right. So, do we have any other opinion on this question?
I used to believe that there was a fantasy land in like Almira, like Narnia one. Like
Could you please repeat it, Delegate? Your voice is cracking now.
I used to believe that there was a fantasy land in my Almira, like in Narnia,
Anya.
or my cousins told me, like they tricked me, like till late
So, were
70s,
you
like 10.
often found sitting in your Almira?
Not like they said it was not like Almira, that was like a room kind of thing in my like Nani's house.
All right.
So they said like there was like code or something to open.
All right, Delegate. Thank you so much. Shall we begin with the roll call? Delegates, you're all requested to please switch on your video. All right. So let's have the roll call. Vice Chair,
Yes.
please keep
So,
entering present and present in voting. I'll say the names aloud. Keep entering it in the document you have.
yes, Chairperson.
All right. Shall we begin, delegates?
Yes, Chairperson.
Yes, chairperson.
Please raise a motion. Wait, we need to raise a motion first. Yeah, somebody please set the agenda first. Delegates, are there any points or motions on the floor? If you have one, kindly raise your placards. Delegate of Chile, to what point do you rise?
The delegate of Chile would like to raise a motion on the topic alliances and supplies of healthcare facilities and services to each other nation, to each and every nation.
I'm really sorry, delegate, but first we need to set the agenda.
Yes.
For that, you need to say the delegate of Chile would like to raise a motion to set the agenda to analyzing global.
Okay.
Did I make myself clear, delegate? Delegate of Chile?
Yes, so Japan could do the honors.
All right.
Japan could raise the
So
motion.
the delegate of Japan, to what point do you rise?
Delegate of Japan would like to raise an agenda analyzing global pestilence. Am I right?
I'm really sorry, delegate, the verbatim is wrong. Can we have some other delegate, please? Delegate of New Zealand, you've been recognized. To what point do you rise?
So the delegate of New Zealand would like to raise the motion to set the agenda to analyzing global pestilence amidst trade skirmishes.
Thank you so much, delegate. That is in order. All those who second the motion, kindly raise your placards. Delegate of Brazil, don't you have a placard? Delegates, at least you could have seconded this motion. Seeing opposition, we put this to vote. All those in favor? Please raise your placards once again. I'm really sorry, but there are delegates opposing this motion as well. Delegate of China, are you not in favor of this motion? Delegate of Brazil,
Favor.
kindly raise your placard, please. Delegate of Brazil, do you oppose this motion? Kindly unmute yourself.
Delegate of Brazil, you're not unmuted. Please unmute yourself first and then speak in the mic.
Yeah.
I'm not against this motion.
Yeah, please raise your placard then. All right. Delegate of Canada, why do you oppose this motion? All right. Clearly, the motion passes. The motion is in order. We are now in the formal session of WTO. Delegates, are there any other points or motions on the floor? Delegates, are there any other points or motions on the floor? Come on, delegates. The enthusiasm was only for the ice-breaking session. We do not have anything for this formal session. Delegate of United Kingdom, you've been recognized. To what point do you rise?
Delegate of
Delegates, you
United
have had an
Kingdom.
amazing ice-breaking session. Now you have to continue
Thank
with
you so
the
much,
same
Sekjan.
spirit.
Thank you so much, Sekjan. So, Delegate of United Kingdom.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to set motion to open GSL or General Speakers List.
Would somebody raise a motion to, begin the roll call, please? Delegate of United Kingdom, you've been recognized once again. To what point do you rise?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to set motion to open roll call.
All right, thank you so much, Delegate. All those who second the motion, kindly raise your placards. In case we see opposition to it, we'll have to put it to vote. So please do not oppose this. All of you are requested to raise your placards. All right. Seeing no opposition, clearly the motion passes and we now begin with the roll call. Delegate of Brazil,
Yes.
would you mind attending your roll call, please, with present or present and voting?
Present and voting.
Right. Vice Chair, are you please noting it down somewhere? Right. Thank you so much. Next, Delegate of Canada.
Present in voting.
Thank you so much, Delegate. Delegate of Chile.
Present and voting.
Delegate of Democratic People's Republic of Korea.
Voting.
Please say it complete.
Voting.
You say present and voting.
Present in voting.
Excellent. Delegate of Germany. Delegate of Germany.
Chairperson, have we missed out France?
Vice Chair, she won't be able to attend the conference.
Taking note of that, Chairperson.
Thank you so much. We do not have Delegate of Germany. All right, let's proceed with it. Delegate of Hungary.
Present and voting.
India.
President voting, Chairperson.
Japan. Delegate of Japan.
Present and voting.
Delegate of Malaysia.
Present in voting.
New Zealand,
Present and voting.
People's Republic of China,
Present and voting.
Russian Federation,
Present and voting.
United Kingdom,
Present and voting.
United States of America,
Present and voting.
Vietnam.
Present and voting.
So here we see the zeal. All of you are ready to vote upon the resolution. That's great. We do not need to take the roll call for the next 2 days, Vice Chair.
All right, Chairperson.
So, delegates, are there any other points or motions on the floor? Delegate of Japan, you have been recognized. To what point do you rise?
Delegate of Japan would like to raise a motion to open the general speaker list.
All right. That is an order, delegate. Thank you so much. All those who second the motion, kindly raise your placards. Delegates, please hold the placard in the right way. Your country name should not be hidden. All right. So, seeing no opposition, this motion clearly passes. We are now open with the GSL. All those delegates who wish to get their names added in the GSL, please raise your placards and we'll keep recognizing you. Vice Chair, please recognize them. I'll note down the order.
All right, Chairperson. Delegate of New Zealand, you have been recognized. You'll go first.
Yeah, please recognize four more.
Delegate of Vietnam, you have been recognized.
All right.
Delegate of China, you have been recognized. Delegate of United Kingdom, you have been recognized.
One more. Delegate of India.
All right.
So, delegate, I'll tell you the order. In case you feel the need to get up your names added or the order changed, kindly write it on the chat during this meeting or mail us. Right? The order is, first is for the delegate of New Zealand, then Vietnam, China, United Kingdom and India. So, delegate of New Zealand. Vice Chair, would you record down the timing?
Just a sec, Chairperson.
Yes. Who raised the motion for GSL?
It was the delegate of Japan.
Shall we begin with delegate of New Zealand, Vice Chair?
Yes, we shall. Delegate of New
All
Zealand,
right.
you have.
So should I get started?
Yeah.
Delegate of New Zealand, you have a total of 90 seconds, and precisely at 70 seconds, I'll give you a warning call so that you
Okay.
can end your GSL within the prescribed time. All right?
Thanks.
You may start.
So greetings to everyone. The trade and the economy. Greetings to everyone. The trade and economy of all the countries in the world has been disrupted due to the outbreak of novel coronavirus. And in order to recuperate from the ongoing crisis, the government of New Zealand has come up with a support package worth $12.1 billion, which primarily includes an estimated $9 to $10 billion in wage subsidy, an initial $500 in post for health, and $126 million in COVID-19 leave, in isolation and initial, and $600 million package to support aviation sector, and much more. The finance minister of my country also stated that this is just the beginning and will come up with many more such packages. While mentioning the situation, he added that all measures are going to be taken to strengthen the economy and protect it from various fallouts brought by this global pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, delegate. Your points have been noted down. Vice Chair, how much time
The,
do you have left?
the total time taken by the delegate is 65 seconds.
All right. Delegate, you have 25 seconds left. How would you like to yield it?
Well, I would like to use my time to the point of information.
All right. Delegates, do we have any points of information on the floor?
Yes, Chairperson.
All right. Delegate of India, you've been recognized.
I would like to ask that how did you overcome this deadly virus so effectively?
Well,
Thank you so much, Delegate, for your question. Delegate of New Zealand, please go ahead with the answer. Just a minute, delegates, you cannot answer the question until and unless you get the permission from EB.
Okay.
All right. Please go ahead, the Delegate of New Zealand.
Okay, so my country adopted the contact tracing policy in order to keep a check on the coronavirus infections, and also in order to facilitate the same, my country recently launched a new app. So that's it. Moreover, my country indulged in itself in this 4-level based system through which we kept a check on coronavirus.
Delegate, could you please elaborate on this 4-level based system you just said?
Yeah, yes, of course. So what happened is my country. What happened is when my country first got it. When we got our first coronavirus case confirmed, my country launched this 4-level based system, according to which we put so let's talk about the alert level 4 first, because this is what we put in the very beginning. In this alert level 4, my all the restrictions were laid, and the people were asked to stay in their bubbles. They weren't liberated enough to move out of their houses. And as the coronavirus cases was contained, the people were liberated enough to move out of their houses. So this is how this all kept on going.
Thank you so much, Delegate. Delegate of Vietnam, can we have you, please?
Greetings to the Executive Board. Half a year into COVID-19 pandemic, Vietnamese still practice health measures here and there, though the nation reported no deaths from the disease and for more than 2 months, no local infections. The statistics put Vietnam in a unique spot as the biggest nation by population to report no deaths. The statistics have ignited a debate between those skeptical that one-party state could have such success without fixing the data against those who resent the criticism. Timing was critical because of the virus' ability to spread exponentially. The Ho Chi Minh City government said, for instance, that for every 300 people infected, 84,000 people had to be quarantined. It is likely that Vietnam did not have to cover up mass infections and deaths because it acted before the virus could reach that point. Vietnam has continued to expand its economy, growing the fastest in the Southeast Asia, in part due to the US-China trade war. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Delegate. Vice Chair, the time?
The delegate of Vietnam took about 67 seconds.
All right. So, delegates, you still have 23 seconds left. How would you like to yield your time?
I would like to leave my time to point of information.
All right. So, delegates, are there any other points of information on the floor? Vice Chair, please recognize them in case they are.
Yes, Chairperson. Seeing just one. Delegate of China, you have been recognized. To what point do you rise?
Point of information.
Yes, you may proceed ahead.
So Vietnam, do you think it was the luck or your execution which resulted in no death, as you mentioned?
All right. Delegate of Vietnam, would you please mind answering that?
Vietnamese leadership began waging war on COVID-19 with early decisive action as soon as the first cases were detected. The government recognized COVID-19 as a major threat and took precautionary measures above and beyond the World Health Organization recommendations. These were implemented a week before the outbreak was recognized as the public health emergency of international concern, and more than 1 month of WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. So The reason Vietnam has no death is because it started taking precautionary measures well in advance.
Thank you so much, delegate. So, delegate of China, your GSL, please.
Very good morning to the chairperson, vice chairperson, and the fellow delegate. The delegate of China believes the world is experiencing darkest time due to the catastrophic effects of novel coronavirus. Economies are falling, mindsets have changed, and during such a time, the world's so-called superpower is trying to politicize the situation by blaming China for all of this, due to which China is facing anti-Chinese sentiments throughout the world. In addition with the pandemic, for those who are questioning China's cooperation, China provided help by sending medical teams to developing nations like Colombia, Iran, Iraq, Laos, Pakistan, Venezuela, Italy, and Serbia. To the countries trying to manipulate the situation and trying to politicize everything needs to know that we are the world leader who need to come to the solution for the people suffering badly in this time rather than working to create tensions in the world. The global recession can be lifted if we only come up as a global team.
Amazing. Thank you so much, delegate. Vice Chair, the time.
The delegate of China took 64 seconds in completing his GSL.
All right. So, delegate, you have 26 seconds left. How would you like to yield your time?
I like to yield my time by the point of it.
All right. Delegates, are there any points of information on the floor?
Chairperson, prior to that,
oh my God, I see so many placards raised.
Delegates, prior to you guys asking questions any further, I would remind you that it should be pertaining to whatever the delegate has spoken up, not the facts that you have read. All right? It should be pertaining to the GSL that he just spoke.
In
Yes,
case you
Chairperson,
have
may continue.
questions, in case you have questions which are not related to what he spoke, you can just write them down via chits. Mail it to the delegate via chit, right? So I think in order to stir the debate, we should recognize the delegate of United States first. Delegate, you've been recognized. Kindly come up with a question.
The delegate of United States would like to ask the People's Republic of China that you say you blame our country, US. So do you have any of the facts, any of the counter arguments to state that to banish the fact that coronavirus was originated in China?
All right. So, delegate of People's Republic of China, would you like to answer that?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Delegate of United States, please make it short and sweet.
Do you have any of the facts or any counter argument to vanish the fact that it was originated in China?
We have like, you don't have any fact to like either China, it was originated in China. We are not selling, you first said that it was originated in China without any facts. So
All right, thank you. Thank you so much, delegate. Thank you so much. So next we have delegate of United Kingdom up for his GSL.
United Kingdom is a country of excellence and has been a member of WTO since January 1st, 1995. Until January 31st, 2020, United Kingdom was a part of European Union as a withdrawal agreement between European Union and United Kingdom. There has been a transition period for United Kingdom up to the end of the year, where it has to publish a set of new tariffs and quotas, which is a limitation on the number of goods imported from other countries. The United Kingdom also responds to the coronavirus by putting a set of very easy to understand and helpful guidelines, and with the help of NGOs, hopes to develop and grow out of these dark times into back into the normal society that the people of the United Kingdom so enjoy.
Thank you so much, delegate. Your solutions have been noted. Vice Chair, the timing.
The delegate of United Kingdom took a total time of 57 seconds.
57 or 67?
57, Chairperson. 57.
All right. So, delegate, you have 33 seconds left. How would you like to yield your time?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to yield his time to the delegates to points of information.
All right, we'll have 2 points of information for the delegate of United Kingdom since he has 33 seconds left. Delegates, those who wish to ask questions, please raise your placards. Delegate of Chile, you've been recognized. Kindly go ahead.
Delegate, you're requested to please unmute yourself prior to speaking.
Ma?
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I would like to ask the delegate of United Kingdom, as you mentioned, that after the announcement of your exit from European Union, you haven't been able to get enough of imports and not a trade agreement. But our country, Chile, has particularly in wines and gas turbines exported you US dollar 771 million of goods and also imported US dollar 791 million of goods. So how would you like to respond in this matter?
Delegate, please keep your questions short and sweet. Would you mind rephrasing it, please?
So I would like to ask, how would you respond to the exports and imports of your country with Chile, which affects our 791 million imports and 771 million exports?
All right. Thank you so much, Delegate. Delegate of United Kingdom, would you like to answer that?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like the delegate of Chile to rephrase this question, as the delegate of United Kingdom doesn't understand. Response to the trade in the sense, the delegate of Chile, before rephrasing his question, said that the delegate of United Kingdom said in his GSL that he had some issues with trade, but the delegate was never did not ever mention anything about issues or associations or any form of trade. He just mentioned that the United Kingdom is still, as of the end of the year, part of the European Union custom laws and regulations. He did not refer to any trade.
All right, that is noted, Delegate. Delegate of Chile, that was right.
Yeah.
In case you have further, in case you have further questions, please write us via mail. Write to us via mail. Right?
Okay.
We need to have one more point of information. Yeah. Delegates, is there any other point of information for the delegate of United Kingdom? Kindly raise your placards. Please switch on your audio as well as video, delegates. We need to have an interactive session. Delegate of New Zealand, you've been recognized. Please go ahead with your question.
Okay. So, to my question to delegate of United Kingdom is, you said that you are trying to cope up with the situation of coronavirus, and still you weren't able to protect your Prince Charles from coronavirus. So, why is that so? What you doing? What would you be able to do for your public if you ain't even able to keep your prince safe?
Right. Delegate of United Kingdom, would you like to answer that?
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to state to the delegate of New Zealand that United Kingdom is not a partial country. The government ensures safety of all equally, including its people. The delegate would like to further state that the delegate would like to further state that there are several measures being taken for countering such deadly virus very efficiently. There has been certain steps taken by the government which ensure the safety of all people, thus decreasing the number of cases. As the health minister himself and several other doctors have said, there was one case in every 1,000, while in a short period